Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can make a habit tracker in Notion. First, open up your Notion. Go to the templates option in the side panel. Now go to the personal category, search for habit tracker, click on it. Now click on get template, and you see the template has been imported. You can see it has pre-written tasks and also has an infographic to show how much of your daily task has been done. You can see it has different views. You can edit the tasks and give them whatever name you want. By changing the property name as shown, you can add icon, as shown as you would add to page, and you see your property has been edited. Now you see buttons, you can see the options, when it's triggered, and more. Now you see if you click the button, the task will be checked by itself. You can use different views to track your progress. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.